People do not send enough beautiful cards these days. Decorably Happy New Year cards, 24-pack. They're here to change this. Festive, right out of the box. Look at these. They're so beautiful. Gold foil, clean designs, and nothing feels inexpensive or last minute. These are pure luxury, high quality. You get 24 cards, envelopes, and matching stickers. Here are the envelopes, high quality linens. I love them. Love the gold trim, and the stickers are super cute. So you're not hunting for extras at the 11th hour. Everything is provided for you. The gold foil details make them feel really special compared to store-bought cards. The printed messages definitely saves time while still leaving you plenty of room to add a personal note. If you want to acknowledge people that you don't see in person, neighbors, family, coworkers, clients, you're going to actually use these cards. They're a simple way to close out the year and to start a new one thoughtfully. 24 of them, love it. These are great for anyone who likes sending mail but doesn't want to overthink a design, wording, or coordination. Bottom line, these are easy. These are polished New Year cards for people who want to be thoughtful without turning it into a project. It's a one and done. Everything is here for you. Open the box, write your name, seal it, and you're done. Done. These are the Decorably Happy New Year cards, and the opinions in this review are mine. The cards were provided by the brand.